Hi everyone! So, nakita niyo na naman itong video na to. So, for sure, may mga pinagdadaanan naman kayo sa life. But what I channeled is, I felt like reading something for people who are looking forward with their financial. So, napansin ko lang no, while I'm drawing this card, pansin ko lang marami sa inyo guys is nasa transition phase ng life nyo, or could be you guys are changing jobs, you guys are looking for something new, you guys are trying to fix your financial, you guys are trying to wait for a good news pagdating sa financial nyo. So this is what I get right now. The main energy of most of you guys will be the Seven of Pentacles. So, nakikita ko dito at nararamdaman ko sa card na to, guys, na marami sa inyo yung naiinip na kung kailan kayo makakaahon, kailan kayo magiging stable, kailan kayo magiging financially free pagdating sa financial nyo. And this is you being impatient right now with your financial. And nakikita ko dito, guys, na sa mga nag-a-apply or mag-a-apply ng bago, nakikita ko na yes, you guys will be accepted. Okay, may mga makukuha kayong job, new job for you guys. There will be sun after the rain. And nakikita ko dito na magtutuloy-tuloy yung positive energy nyo. That's why you will have this Nine of Pentacles. So, marami sa inyo guys ang magkakaroon ng magandang sitwasyon after a new job, or after moving places, or after nyong magpahinga, after nyong makapag-relax, after nyong parang alam niyo yung fresh new energy, new places, new job, new hobbies, new things, anything new in your life could bring lots of money towards you because it is giving you the positive energy. Okay? After this transition, kung may mga lilipat, may magbabago, changes, things in regards of your career or financial, guys, nakikita ko dito na after that little rest in your life, little thinking, thoughts of the things you should do, will be a new beginning next. So, bakit nga ba kayo palaging walang pera? Or bakit din kayo nawawala ng pera? This is how and why, how you will protect your money and why you are losing money. You are losing money because you guys save things. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito kung may mga ibang tao sa inyo na nagsisave, or parang you wanted your money to be tight, you wanted your money to stay in one place. That's the reason, because money should flow. It could be you can invest it, you can help people like 5% and give it to the universe, something like that. That's how you give back. Okay? So, nakikita ko nakastuck yung pera nyo. Just in case natutulong kayo, parang mabigat sometimes, or talagang pag-iisipan nyo baka mawalan kayo ng pera, things like that. There's like attachment sa pera, kaya nakikita ko dito na parang mabigat din yung daloy ng flow or flow ng money sa inyo. So, nakikita ko dito na paano nyo nga ba paprotektahan yung pera nyo, how you will stop yourself from losing all your money. Karamihan sa inyo, kapag may relasyon, damay ang pera. Hindi ko sinasabi na masama yun, but most of you don't have control. You guys are impulsive. You guys are going with the flow with your emotions. Sinasabi natin na magandang mag-go with the flow in life, but not in your money. So, you guys are being affected with relationships. Kung ano nangyayari sa relationships nyo, ganun din yung pera nyo. You guys are being affected with your emotions. Kapag masaya kayo, nanlilibre kayo, nagbibigay kayo. Kapag hindi, feeling nyo, taghirap nyo na, feeling nyo, gipit na kayo, things like that. Kapag malungkot kayo, things happen as at it is the same kung paano yung nararamdaman nyo. So, what I'm saying here, how you protect your money is for you to be able to control and do not attach with money. Do not seek money, for money is running away from you. So, I hope it resonates with you guys. And nakikita ko, congratulations agad sa mga makakatanggap ng balita for their new job. And sa mga tao na makakapagpahinga ng kahit kauntian sa mga taong may new beginning. For you guys, magkakaroon na ulit kayo ng patience, magkakaroon kayo ng positive energy, and congratulations in advance.